This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Eduardo Billies, PhD. Gorgeous renovation 3-bed, 2-bath. Seller is giving $12,000 towards closing costs and / or rate buy down for up to 2% discount. Terms and conditions apply. The house was appraised June 17 for $550K. Tired of fighting traffic? This house is located on a low-traffic street in a nice quiet neighborhood, where houses are being renovated but seconds to major intersections that could take you in 3 to 10 minutes to great schools, golf beaches, dog parks, nature and cycling trails, botanical gardens, hospitals, boat ramps, golf courses and a myriad of restaurants and shops. Best of all, it is in almost new condition and there are no HOAs, no CCDs, no flood insurance and no evacuation zone. This is an ideal place to call home or great investment for Airbnb or short-term rentals. It has been staged/furnished so you can appreciate better the flow and size of the rooms. The house features an open floor with a gorgeous kitchen integrated into the living areas and an independent foyer/TV room at the entrance, 3-bed, 2 baths, large laundry room and a large family room to enjoy and entertain. The house features block construction, new roof on April 2024 and myriads of new premium quality upgrades throughout the house. A new dedicated air conditioner unit for the master bedroom, commercial-grade flooring Stainmaster Pet Protect scratch-resistant 100% waterproof luxury vinyl. The kitchen has quality soft-touch closing cabinets with crown molding, 2 Lazy Susan, lots of storage space, beautiful Kalikata quartz countertops, a new breakfast island and new stainless Samsung appliances, window shades, 18 new ceiling lights, new fans and light fixtures, new hardware and outlets throughout the house, new plumbing valves, sinks and faucets, etc. The main air conditioner unit was updated about 4 years ago and a new split air conditioner unit was added in the master bedroom, new 3-zone sprinkler system, new premium attic insulation was added for comfort and to lower the electric bill, R44+, new screens and new doors on the porch, new grass and landscape. The outdoor is ready to make your dreams come true with a new 16x16 premium composite deckboard plus ample space for a pool or jacuzzi or whatever your heart desires. The fully enclosed fence is mostly new. Mature trees to enjoy the shades and ample sun to enjoy Florida weather. A new circular driveway built to last was installed in June 24 with lots of parking for all your toys. Convenience and location is key with this property. It is just minutes away from Madeira and Redington Beaches, Bay Pines Boat Ramp, Virginia Hospital, Seminole and Pinellas Parks and Lakes, the Intracoastal Waterway, Gulf Boulevard and some of the best sugar sand beaches in the world, Publix, Home Depot, Walmart, Target, restaurants and shops, and top-rated schools, and bus routes and dog parks nearby. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. Come and see us or call us.